Performing a head-to-toe assessment is an essential part of a healthcare professional's job. Healthcare professionals typically use this head-to-toe assessment during the initial evaluation of a patient. Here are 3 situations where it may be necessary to use this assessment. When a patient is brought to the emergency department, a head-to-toe assessment can help identify any life-threatening conditions. Before any medical procedure, healthcare professionals must thoroughly assess the patient to identify any potential risks. And during regular checkups, where it's an essential part of preventative health care. During a head-to-toe assessment, you'll start by checking your patient's vital signs to ensure they are within normal ranges. Next, you'll examine their skin, head, and neck to identify any abnormalities, such as lesions, rashes, or discoloration. You'll also assess their chest and lungs to evaluate their respiratory function and heart sounds. Moving down to the abdomen, you'll check for any tenderness, masses, or abnormal bowel sounds while assessing their musculoskeletal system for range of motion and muscle strength. You'll also evaluate their neurological system to identify any cognitive or motor dysfunction. Finally, you'll assess their genitourinary system, including the urinary tract and reproductive organs. This is particularly important for identifying potential issues, such as urinary tract infections or reproductive abnormalities. A head-to-toe assessment provides healthcare professionals with a comprehensive understanding of their patient's health status, which is crucial for developing effective care plans. This evaluation allows you to identify potential health problems, monitor progress, and intervene early, ultimately leading to better patient outcomes. The assessment worksheet has 7 different sections as shown in the sample worksheet above. To find our head-to-toe assessment, go to our Carepatron platform. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.